So now welcome once again students, and here it is the last question of exercise 2.4. Again it is the factorization, and here you will find that in the previous question, in the question number 4, which I had discussed in the previous video, there you find that that was the quadratic polynomials and that were factorized by splitting the middle term. Here you are going to get cubic polynomial. Here you will get that in each and every part the highest exponent is 3, so that is the cubic polynomial. So here I am going to explain how to factorize the cubic polynomial. Here the factors of the polynomial depends on the degrees. In the previous question, question number 4, the degree of all the parts were 2. It means all the parts were quadratic polynomial. So there you got the 2 factors. In 2 bracket you were getting the values in each and every parts. It means that having the 2 factors. But here in this question it is the cubic polynomial. So all these parts will have the 3 factors. So here I am going to explain how to factorize the cubic polynomial. So I am going to explain the first one. So here it is the first part, that is x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. So I have written the first part. So here students, first you need to find the one of the factors by putting the value. For the cubic polynomial you need to put the value of x, and after that you need to calculate it, and if it is going to be equal to 0, then you will find the one of the factors. So here I am going to explain how you will put the value. So here you need to put the value of x as plus 1, minus 1, plus 2, minus 2, and on which number you are going to get 0, that will be one of the factors. For example, here I am going to put if x equal to 1. If I am going to put x equal to 1 here, so it can be x cube is here, so I will replace x by 1. So 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square minus 1 plus 2. So I replace the x by 1. So here 1 cube equal to 1, 1 square 1 into minus 2 minus 2, here it is minus 1 plus 2. So it is equal to 2 plus 1 3, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, that is equal to 0. So here you are going to get at x equal to 1, the value of this polynomial is 0. Suppose that if you are not going to get at x equal to 1, it is 0, then you will check for the minus 1. If you are not going to get again it is 0, then you will check for the plus 2, and again you will repeat until you are going to get it 0. So here in the first, if I am going to put x equal to 1, I am going to get it 0. So it means here at x equal to 1, value of polynomial is 0. At x equal to 1, value of polynomial is 0. So transfer 1 in that side, then it can be written as x minus 1. Here x equal to 1, if it is 0, then if you are going to transfer it in the left side plus 1, then it will be x minus 1. So it means it shows that x minus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial. So here x minus 1 is the factor of the given polynomial. So by this way you will get one of the factor. In the very beginning I had explained that it is the cubic polynomial, so it will have the 3 factors. So in the steps, first you will put the value of x plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2, where you are going to get 0, then you will get one of the factors. So when I am going to put x equal to 1, I am going to get it is equal to 0. So that's why I have written x minus 1 is a factor. Suppose that if you are going to get at x equal to minus 1 it is 0, then x plus 1 will be the factor. So here one of the factor of this polynomial is x minus 1. Now if you are going to get x minus 1 as a factor, then divide the given polynomial by that factor. So here I got that x minus 1 was the factor. So whatever the polynomial is given there, that should be divided by that factor x minus 1. So here you need to go for the division. So if you are going to divide here x and x cube, so if you are going to multiply x by x square, then you will get x cube. So here you will write x square. So x into x square, x cube minus 1 into x square minus x square. Now subtract it, minus, and it will be plus. That is going to be cancelled. Minus 2x square plus x square, that will be minus x square, and write these values as it is, minus x plus 2, that will be written as it is. Now here it is minus x square, so if you are going to take minus x here, so x into minus x, that will be minus x square, minus 1 into minus x, that will be plus x. Now again it will be plus, it is minus, so it is going to be cancelled, minus x minus 2x, and here it is plus 2, so it will be as it is. Now how many times? Here it is minus 2x, here it is x, so if you are going to multiply, I take minus 2, then x into minus 2 equal to minus 2x, so it is minus 2x, minus 1 into minus 2 equal to plus 2. Again here it is plus, here it is minus, both are cancelled. Now remainder is 0. So here it is divided. So after getting one of the factor, you need to divide the given polynomial by x minus 1. Now you are going to get the quotient x square minus x minus 2. After division you will get a quotient. So write that quotient, that is x square minus x plus 2. So here it is the quotient x square minus x plus 2. Now you will get that quotient will be the quadratic polynomial. Here it is the quadratic. Now you need to factorize this polynomial by splitting the middle term. So again you need to factorize this by splitting the middle term. So here there is no any number, it means 1. So you need to find the two numbers whose multiplication equal to 1 into 2, 2, and whose addition equal to a plus b equal to, here it is minus 1, so minus 1. So find the two numbers whose multiplication is plus 2 and addition is minus 1. So the numbers will be minus 1 and it will be, so students, here it is minus 2. By mistake I have written here plus 2, but here you will get that in the quotient here it is the minus 2, so it should be minus 2. So 1 into minus 2, the multiplication should be minus 2 and addition should be minus 1. Now you need to find the two numbers. If I am going to write minus 2 and plus 1, so minus 2 into 1 equal to minus 2, and minus 2 plus 1 equal to minus 1. So these are the two numbers, their multiplication is minus 2 and their addition is minus 1. So here you will write x square minus 2x plus 1 into x, x minus 2. So here in these two x will be common, so x minus 2, and here plus 1 is common, so x minus 2. So from here you can take x minus 2 and x plus 1. So here after factorization you got that the factorization of this quadratic polynomial is x minus 2 into x plus 1. So these are the two factors, and one factor you got in the very beginning, that was x minus 1. So these are the three factors, so you can write x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2, that cubic polynomial after factorization. In the very beginning, after putting the value 1, you got that it was 0, so x minus 1 was the factor. So here you will write x minus 1, and rest of the two factors are given here, into x minus 2 into x plus 1. So these are the three factors of the given polynomial. So it is the way to factorize a cubic polynomial. So students, again I will explain the second parts. So now here I have written the second part of the question, that is x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. It is the cubic polynomial. So first you need to find one of the factor. So first I am going to put x equal to 1, and I am going to check that it is 0 or not. So x cube, so it will be 1 cube minus 3 into x square, so minus 3 into 1 square minus 9 into x, it will minus 9 into 1 minus 5. So calculate it. 1 cube equal to 1, 1 square is 1, 1 into minus 3, minus 9 into 1 minus 9, and minus 5 will be as it is. It will be minus 17, 9, 5, 14, 14, 3, 17, minus 17 plus 1 equal to minus 16, and it is not equal to 0. So here you are going to get that if you are going to put x equal to 1, the value of the polynomial is not equal to 0. Then you will check for x equal to minus 1. If at x equal to 1 it is not 0, then you will check for x equal to minus 1. Now x will be replaced by minus 1. So here it is minus 1 cube minus 3 into minus 1 square minus 9 into minus 1 minus 5. Minus 1 cube will be minus 1, minus 1 square plus 1, and plus 1 into minus 3, minus 9 into minus 1 plus 9, and here it is minus 5, that will be as it is. Minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 minus 4 minus 5 minus 9 and plus 9, minus 9 plus 9, that is equal to 0. So here if you are going to get it 0, then your process will be stop here. So here at x equal to minus 1 it is 0, then here you will write x equal to minus 1, value of polynomial is 0. It shows that if you are going to transfer minus 1 in this side, then it will be x plus 1. Minus 1 will be transferred in that side, then x plus 1 is a factor. Then you can say that x plus 1 is a factor. So here by putting the value you got one of the factor, that is x plus 1. So again you need to repeat the steps just like the previous question. You need to divide the given polynomial by x plus 1. So here I am going to divide it. So here x plus 1 was the factor, so x plus 1 is the dividend here, and I am going to divisor here, and x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5, that is going to be divided. So given polynomial will be divided by the factor you got in the very beginning. Now x cube is here x, then you need to find the x cube, so x should be multiplied by x square, then you will get x cube. So here x square, x into x square, x cube plus 1 into x square plus x square. Now subtract it, minus minus, that is cancel, minus 3x square minus x square minus 4x square, and here it is minus 9x minus 5. Now here it is minus 4x square, here it is x. So you need to put minus 4x. Minus 4x into x equal to minus 4x square. You are going to get the same value, 1 into minus 4x minus 4x. Then here it is plus, here it is plus. It is going to be cancelled. Minus 9x plus 4x equal to minus 5x. And here it is minus 5, so that will be minus 5. Now here it is minus 5x, so it will be minus 5 times. X into minus 5, minus 5x. And plus 1 into minus 5, minus 5. Now here it is plus, here it is plus. That is going to be cancelled, it is 0. So you have divided the given polynomial by one of the factor x plus 1. And now what the quotient you are going to get, x square minus 4x minus 5. So here you will write the quotient. The quotient after division you are going to get x square minus 4x minus 5. Now you need to factorize this. That is the quadratic polynomial, so you can factorize it by splitting the middle term. So here you need to find the two numbers whose multiplication should be 1 into minus 5, and whose addition should be minus 4. It means a plus b equal to minus 4. So if I am going to get two numbers, that is minus 5 and plus 1. Minus 5 into plus 1 equal to minus 5, and minus 5 plus 1 equal to minus 4. So these are the two numbers. So here you will write x square minus 5x plus x minus 5. Now here x is taken as common, so here x minus 5 and plus 1 is taken in these two common, so it will be x minus 5. So in one bracket x minus 5 and in second bracket x plus 1. So these are the two factors, and one factor you got in the very beginning, that was x plus 1. So here you will write the polynomial. The polynomial is x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5, and that factor after factorization, the first factor you got x plus 1, and here the rest of the two factors are x minus 5 into x plus 1. So these are the three factors of the given polynomial. So students, I had solved the first and second part. Now third and fourth part, again you need to solve just like the first and second part. So once again you need to solve the first and second by yourself. I had given the solution, and after that try to solve the third and fourth part similar to the first and second. First find the one of the factors, divide the given polynomial, and again you will get the quotient, and that will be the quadratic. So factorize that quotient by splitting the middle term, and then you will get the two factors there and one factor in the very beginning. So by that way you will get all the three factors. So that is the exercise 2.4 that is going to be completed today. So thank you students, and try to solve the third and fourth by yourself.